The hard work behind basketball opens with a cinematic montage of anonymous athletes grinding in a dim pre-dawn gym, lights cutting across chalk dust and steady breaths. Real victory starts behind the scenes, captioned as a soft glow rises from empty benches while the players push themselves through gritty drills and careful form. Every drop of sweat turns into light on the court as Chinese letter beads fly, sneakers squeak, and the rhythm of a single ball echoes through the space. Nobody sees it, but everybody feels it as a locker room glow reveals resolve in quiet faces and steady hands. These visuals are artistic interpretations created with AI and close the frame with a dawn court ready for what comes next.